everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Tera. Welcome. So it is bag of the month unboxing time, and again for December 2023, Dooney and Bourke has not provided a bag of the month for us to do here on my channel. I know you all love the unboxing of the bag of the month, but this couple of months, Dooney has been having amazing sales, so it has not done a bag of the month for us to feature here on my channel and unbox. So again, I have decided to make my own bag of the month, and including in this adventure is my beautiful friend Dee Bean. I'm going to link her on the bottom, guys. Go check out her video as well. When mine loads, I will be on her channel watching her choice to see what color she chose for the bag of the month that I picked for us to do. Now this bag only came in 2 colors. I thought it would give a more chance of us getting the same color, and if we didn't get the same color, it'd be more fun to watch. So this bag that I chose for the bag of the month for December came in, they're calling it black and red. So I picked one color. I'm going to show you guys right now. Here it is. So I want to say thank you to everyone who has been here on my channel for another year. Thank you so much. I love doing this YouTube channel for you guys. Sorry, that is a loud, wow. Sorry. So I'm loving doing this bag of the month unboxing here on my channel for you guys. It is the most popular here with me. Like that is the most viewed on my channel. And since they didn't have one for December and November, I decided to keep it going for you guys because I know you guys enjoy watching it. So I picked bags for myself and for Miss Dee to unbox for you guys. So again, I'm going to link Dee Bean on the bottom while you guys are watching this, because our videos are going to load exactly the same time. I will be on her channel watching her choice. So I'm excited to see which color she got, the black or the red. So this was a bag that I thought Dooney might do, because doing the bag of the month unboxing here on my channel, going on the 3rd year, guys. In March, it will be 3 years that I've been here on YouTube. My very first video was a couple of makeup videos I did, because I do fun makeup videos as well. I haven't done it in a while, but I can if you guys like. Let me know in the bottom if you guys enjoy the makeup ones, and I'll do a couple more for you guys. But mostly, it's been the bag of the month and the Dooneys that have taken off on my channel. And the first one I did is the most watched video here on my channel is the blue little dome satchel that I did for you guys. So in honor of that bag has been given to someone else, so I can't show you guys because I realized that I don't use them because they're small, so I give it to a friend. But I can link my whole list for you guys to watch on the bottom. It's going to say the bag of the month unboxing list, so you guys can go to the whole playlist to see all the way back from the beginning what bags Dooney has done. So since I've been doing it a while, I kind of figured what kind of bags they like to do as a bag of the month. And this is a small domed satchel. I ordered a couple more pieces. I ordered 2 pieces with it to show you guys the different colors that it came in. So it only came in 2 colors. These are the 2 colors. And I'm going to show you guys some representative of it. And then I'm going to show you the color I picked. So let's jump right in. So this, I have it here written now, so I tell you guys the exact name. I think this is the Tucker collection. And my phone decided to not work. Why? Okay. So it is the Tucker collection. Here it is in what they're calling black. Now normally I don't think this is a black. Shouldn't be in the black tone, but I guess this is how Dooney has it represented as black. I think because the trimming is black. It's beautiful. I've never seen this collection in person, so I'm excited to show you guys. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. Okay. So this is just the, I want to say wristlet or the small Carrington. Let me see if it says it here. Black wear tucker. Okay, I'll figure it out. So here it is in the black. Look how beautiful. It's like a checkered kind of look. So pretty. It is a coated cotton. I love it. I didn't know this. So when it's a new collection, I always get the smaller pieces first. But the price of this bag of the month that I've chosen for you guys is amazing. $29, guys, right now on I Love Dooney. Go pick it up. Don't wait. It's a cute little bag for all of you who love the little bags. Look at this. So lovely. So this is the black. I want to show you guys. And this one is the red. And this is, oh my God, I can never read what it says. They have like abbreviated, I have no idea. I'll try to turn my phone on right now so I can tell you exactly what they are. This is a wristlet, I believe it's the wristlet, slim wristlet. And this is in the color red. Okay. Isn't it lovely? Look, again, coated cotton finish. Okay, so this is the small Carrington, I remember it now. And look at the size between them. So the wristlet is just a little bit bigger than the small Carrington. Look how cute, guys. And these were on such an amazing sale. Like I said, right now, they're on an amazing sale. Go check them out if you want. It's a great time and way to get them. Okay, let's see it. I think my stuff is far so you guys can't see them. Okay, I'll put it here. Okay. Robert, you want to tilt it a little bit? Let me see if I get a better view, a better shot for you guys so I can show you the bag I chose. Oh my God, wait. Wait. Wait, what do I see in this? Wait. Oh. Oh no. Stickers. Oh my gosh. Okay, forget the bag. Oh wow. Stickers. Look, Robert, they sent me stickers. They're all the same, I don't mind. Oh wow. This is the new Christmas stickers. And I got four of the same. Yeah, four, one fell. Oh, I wonder if Miss Didi got any stickers. If you didn't get any, honey, I'll send you a couple. Look, how cute. Oh my God. Okay, that was fun. That was fun. Okay. So now, tilt it a little down, Robert. A little down. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Just so they can see it. It was too far. And the stickers now. Yeah. How exciting.
Are they Christmas themed?
Yeah. Okay, so the bag color I chose, guys, is the black, which is the white and black checkered. Again, this is a tucker domed satchel. It is so cute in person. I have many of this bag in all sorts of colors, all sorts of finish, with handles, without handles. Like I said, this is a, yeah, that was the thing. This was a bag I'm almost sure they would put as a bag of the month. And if you followed me here, you know that's correct. This is a bag that they love to do. Dooney loves to do this bag as a bag of the month. Look at it. I wonder, did we get the same color, Didi?
Yeah.
I'm so excited to see yours. Guys, go check her out, please. She has a new channel. She is so fun. I enjoy her videos so much. She loves to make a nice appearance for you guys. Her decorations are beautiful. She makes an effort. I love that. Love you, Didi. She's a new friend. We're getting to know each other. Really nice person, very nice friend. And this is what I love about this community. You meet so many lovely people. You build friendships. And I'm so happy to have met her. She loves to do the bag of the month too, guys. So go show her the love. I'm curious on what color she got. I told her not to tell me. since I picked the bag of the month, the ones for the 2 months we've been doing together. I think she's a real trooper that she went along with the bags that I chose. So thank you, Dee Dee, for doing that. I'm hoping in January, bag of the month is going to be back on schedule and we go back to our regular scheduled program. If not, yeah, we'll continue to do it together so you guys can see a couple of different versions. Look at that. Inside is red. This is a tiny bag, guys. Tiny. For me, this is a clutch or a makeup case, but of course people here on my channel love the little bags. I don't find them very useful in my lifestyle, but of course they're beautiful for display. It will go on display. It has a beautiful little pocket here. This is a deep pocket. Look at that. My hand fits for a small bag. Again, this is the Tucker collection. I believe it is new. It's a new drop on I Love Dooney. Inside here, on the back here, it has a small pocket. And then it has another similar, same kind of pocket on this side. Leather trimming on the pocket. That is very nice detail that the Dooney and Bourke does. Not all the designers do that. It has the black plaque there, leather, that says Dooney and Bourke. Look at this, beautiful. One zipper closure, and of course it has the little key right here. Okay, I'm gonna throw that in there. This is tiny, tiny cutie. For all my friends here who love the little bags, guys, you're gonna love this. Again, I got this for the amazing price. It's on their holiday sale. It is here. Actually, it's under black. That's what they're calling it. That means the trim, everything is black. That's why this is called the black. And this one's called the red because it's obvious it has the red color. But here it is together. So I got my bag, little guy here, crossbody, for $29. That's the same. That is less than what I paid for my exotic wristlet, the Carrington I bought. It was $69. So this is a don't miss out, guys. If you like the little bags, if you want to jump into that Tucker, the Tucker collection, this is a must-have. Must-have. Look at this. It has feet. Beautiful. What I love about these little domed satchels, they hold their shape beautifully. I'm just going to throw it on here. Right here. It's going to be there for the rest of the month for you guys to see constantly. And I'll put them two next to each other. Obviously, these accessories I bought will not fit. I just bought them to represent them. Look. So this one is large slim wristlet, red. Okay? Just to show you the size of it. Okay? There is no way this is going to happen. But you know what? This was an amazing sale too. Part of their holiday sale, guys. It's called Holiday Sale. This one was $32. So imagine $59 for a whole bag. You're getting a little wristlet. Even a great price for this. But that is a don't miss out bargain here. Don't miss out. And this one is the small Carrington. I was correct. Okay, let's see this one. No, it's not gonna fit. I mean, I'm telling you, this is tiny. Tiny little guy. Look at this. But I had to because I wanted to get the sales, take advantage of this wonderful holiday sales. And I wanted to hit that, I think you have to hit like 120 to get the free shipping. So I threw these in. I can use these with all my other bags year round. This is not a holiday bag color. You can use this year round. So there you have it, guys. The bag of the month, self-appointed bag of the month, and some stickers. I can't wait to see if Didi got stickers. Didi, if you didn't get any, I will send you a couple. There's 4. I'll send you 2. Okay, honey? So you can have it. If you got stickers that are different than mine, send me some. I mean, that is such a nice little surprise. You have no idea how how exciting it is to get these silly little stickers. I don't know why. It's like I could buy stickers every day, any sticker I want, right? But when you get it in this package, it makes it so much more special. Okay, so this is the little strap it comes with. The kind that you can remove. Oh, I didn't tell you the hardware on this is silver, which is really cute. So it is silver on mine. On the black, it's silver. Let me see if it's the same. Is it silver on the gold? Or is it gold? Okay. That's weird. I think the red one is gold hardware. But my the black is silver hardware. That's cute. Okay. So now we're checking these plates to make sure they're correct. One of my YouTube friends said she got one upside down. I've never heard of that. That is rare. But apparently it happens. Here you go. It is the adjustable it's a 3-piece. Yeah, 1, 2, yeah, 3-piece. So you can adjust it to make it a smaller. Okay. And then we'll stand up. Show you guys how it looks on. This is gonna be a long video, sorry. But you know what? It's the bag of money. It's okay. Here you go. Look how cute. So there you have it, guys. The bag of the month for December 2023. I'm so happy you guys are here. I hope you enjoyed. Please go check out my friend Didi Bean. She's going to be linked on the bottom. And have yourselves the most amazing, blessed week, day, Christmas. I'm sure I'll be back to do a couple more videos before Christmas. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bag of the month. Bye. Hi guys, I was just editing the video to be put up, and I don't know why I kept saying $29 for this bag. It's actually $59, which is still an amazing sale, guys. I don't know what, I'm reading it right here. It says $59. I don't know why if my mouth is saying $29. That would have been great, I know, but it's $59, guys. The bag of the month that I've chosen for December. This beautiful Tucker tiny dome satchel. $59. It's an amazing sale. Go pick one up if you like the small domed satchels. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Sorry about that. $59. Bye. That's hilarious.